It looked a bit like a rally from the 2016 presidential race. But today, Senator Sanders came to San Francisco to sell his vision for universal health care. KPIX 5 political reporter Melissa Caen says he also slammed the Republicans' bill. Melissa?
Yeah, that's right. Bernie Sanders was here in San Francisco today to speak at a convention of the California Nurses Association. But the event was outdoors at the Yerba Buena Center, and members of the public crowded in to see the senator.
We're not going to let you pass that horrific legislation.
Stop the Graham-Cassidy Act. That was Senator Sanders' message today in San Francisco. He even gave estimates for how the Republican health care bill would affect California.
In this state alone, if you can believe it, just in California, over 4.5 million people would lose the health insurance they currently have.
Because other Republican proposals have failed, he seemed confident that Graham-Cassidy can also be beaten.
Now, we defeated a Republican proposal that would have thrown 23 million Americans off of health care. We defeated a Republican proposal that would have thrown 22 million people off of health care, that would have thrown 16 million people off of health insurance. And now we are going to defeat another proposal which is even worse than the previous ones.
But defending the Republican health care bill isn't good enough. Sanders wants a single-payer system he calls Medicare for all.
Our job is not just to prevent tens of millions of Americans from being thrown off the health insurance they currently have. Our job is to join every other major country on earth and guarantee health care to all as a right, not a privilege.
Bonnie Castillo is the Associate Executive Director of the California Nurses Association. She says nurses see the problems with the healthcare system every day, and the solution is a single-payer system with no health insurance companies.
Look, they've had a long time, right, to provide for health care, and they've really done a really horrendous job. This is even with people who have health care, right, that they can't afford to use it. What's it good for?
She says the group is thrilled to have Sanders, a champion of single-payer care, speaking today.
We believe that Senator Sanders is a tremendous leader, and we are committed to go all the way with him.
Other nurses we spoke to agreed. We asked one nurse from Maine if seeing Sanders was the highlight of her trip to San Francisco so far.
Other than the dance night, it topped the scale.
Second only to the dance night. Now, Sanders has said publicly that moving to a single-payer system probably won't happen overnight, but he says he and the nurses will keep fighting as long as it takes. Also, we should point out that on Monday night at 6 p.m. our time, Sanders is going to debate Senators Graham and Cassidy on the issue of health care, and Sanders' teammate will be Senator Amy Klobuchar.